Hi friends! So today you have a very important job to do. The first job you're already doing. You're on your Nearpod, you did your warm-up, and now you're watching your video. The second job is you're going to go do some practice problems on assessment. So that's the number 2 job for you to do today. It's part 2. And the third job is for you to take your quiz. You have to do all 3 things to complete your math today. So the first thing you have to do is what you're doing right now, your Nearpod, then your practice problems, then your quiz. So part 1, part 2, and part 3. So let's get started. This is what you're going to see on your computer. You are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker to solve these questions. So the first question has 4 A, B, C, and D right here for us to look at. So it says line A is centimeter long. On your computer, you can see that line A starts here and ends here. But that doesn't mean that it's 14 centimeters long because it starts here. So you can either count the centimeters long it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or you can do a subtraction problem. So 14 is our big hole. You can take away what you already have, right? So you take away this 6 because that's not what's a part of ours, and then you get 8. I want you to do the same thing for line B, which starts here and ends here, and I can use a different color for that. Line B. So you could either count the centimeters or you can subtract 11 minus 2 to find that. Then it says together lines A and B measure, So together means you're looking for the total. So once you find these 2 numbers, you're going to add them together to find the total. Next, it's asking you line A is centimeters longer or shorter than line B. So now it's asking you for the difference. And remember, for the difference, you're going to subtract the bigger one from the smaller one to find the difference. For the next one, you're going to really have to use your brain because it's saying a cricket jumped 5 centimeters forward and 9 centimeters back and then stopped. If the cricket started at 23, where did the cricket stop? Show your work on the broken centimeter ruler. So you don't have to show your work because it's online, but you're going to have to think it started at 23 and jumped 5 forward and 9 back. Where did it land? Okay. For the last question that you're going to see, it says each of the parts of the path below is 4 length units. What is the total length of the path? So if each is 4, you have to do some math and add them all together to find the total length. All right, that's about it for today, and I'm going to include this video in the problem set also so that everybody can have this video for when you are working on this before you go to your quiz. Okay, have fun.